The trigger board is a new product with patent pending. This video will show you how to install the trigger board for maximum effect and safety. It comes with 2 magnetic pegs, 4 suckers, a trigger board with magnetic storage holes, and a metallic self-adhesive sheet. First, install the magnetic pegs in the storage casing area on the side of the board. To attach the trigger board to a gloss surface such as a shiny kitchen unit, place the suckers in the indent on the back of the board. There is a release tab on each sucker. Place this on the outside edge of the board and slot into position. Position all 4 suckers. Using a damp sponge, dampen the suckers. To achieve the desired optimum position for trigger points on your shoulders and back, place the trigger board so the top of the handle is in line with your eyes. Apply pressure to the front of the trigger board to adhere. The trigger board is now ready for use. Watch the instruction manual to learn how to use the board. After the treatment session, release the tabs on the suckers to remove the trigger board from the surface and place the board lying flat for safety. With the suckers removed, the magnetic pads on the back of the trigger board can be used to position the board on a metallic surface such as a metal fridge. Place the board so the top of the handle is in line with your eyes. After use, always make sure the pegs are safely stored in the side casing. And remove the trigger board from the surface and place lying flat for safety. The trigger board can be attached to a painted wall by attaching the supplied metallic self-adhesive sheet to the wall. This sheet will be permanent, so be careful to position it correctly. Do not attach to wallpaper. Peel back the paper on the back of the sheet. Place the top of the sheet so it is in line with your eyes and stick it to the wall. Apply pressure to the sheet. Place the trigger board on the sheet using the magnetic pads, and it is now ready for use. Additional metal sheets can be bought from the website. After the treatment session, make sure the pegs are in the storage casing area and remove the board from the metal sheet for safety. The trigger board can also be used on a chair. This is explained in the instruction video, which can be played next.